Here's an interesting tidbit about the TC-35 and TC-45 rifles, offered by the Spanish company GAMO, for your arsenal. These rifles, despite being marketed by a Spanish company, actually originate from South Korea. GAMO struck a deal with the South Korean company Evernext, allowing them to sell these rifles under their own branding. The TC-35 boasts a 9mm caliber, while the TC-45 features an 11.43mm caliber. Both rifles are adept for recreational shooting and hunting purposes, such as targeting wild boars. Remarkably, the Spanish and Korean versions share the same weight of 4 kilograms and a price tag of $1,050, although the Korean variant is slightly pricier at $1,200. When pursuing the ultimate trophy, strategic thinking becomes crucial, an ethos echoed by the creators of these crossbows. These innovative weapons enable the simultaneous loading of 2 arrows with independent triggers, all while maintaining a commendably lightweight design. The TAC-2 version weighs a mere 3.4 kilograms, sans accessories. Boasting an arrow speed of 104 meters per second and equipped with a telescopic sight for heightened accuracy, these recurve crossbows defy expectations, rivaling their compound bow counterparts in performance. Their reliability and compact size, exemplified by the TAC-2's 81cm length, add to their allure. However, such quality and functionality come at a cost. These crossbows are priced at $1,600. This homemade crossbow gun is notably unconventional in its design. The creator was inspired by a wooden model, replicating it via 3D printing, but issued a cautionary note for those intending to replicate it, advising them to ensure they don't violate any legal regulations. This version accommodates 6 projectiles ranging from 160 to 163 millimeters in length. Equipped with 2 Picatinny rails for enhancements like sight target designator and other upgrades, the crossbow weighs approximately 600 grams. The cocking system surpasses many mass-produced crossbows in efficiency, as per user comments. Reportedly, the kit is anticipated to be priced around $100. Continuing our lineup, we have the FX PANTHERA air rifle, originating from Sweden and initially crafted for sport shooting. However, it has undergone slight modifications to better suit hunters, resulting in the FX PANTHERA Hunter Compact. This compact firearm stands at a mere 66 centimeters in length and weighs approximately 2.9 kilograms. Available in a range of calibers from 4.5 millimeters to 7.62 by 33 millimeters, corresponding to shot capacities of 21 to 13 rounds. This rifle achieves an impressive bullet velocity of 268 meters per second. Equipped with a Picatinny rail for easy optic mounting, the rifle's basic version comes with a 300cc carbon fiber bottle, while users can opt for 480 or 580cc versions. The price for this versatile rifle is approximately $1,800. Next, presenting the evolution of the slingshot, a creation described by its manufacturer in a way that might evoke nostalgia for some viewers. Resembling homemade devices often crafted by children for shooting berries or small apples. This slingshot differs significantly as it can lead to serious legal issues in regions like China, Norway, Iceland, and other countries where it's rightfully banned. This device has the capability to shoot not just balls like paintball pellets but also arrows, which might explain why the manufacturer markets it specifically to hunters and even fishermen. With a firing speed of approximately 107 meters per second, the most advanced set of this slingshot is priced around $139. Inspired by Fallout 4, another skilled craftsman has fashioned a weapon akin to the gamma gun from the game. This real-life counterpart demonstrates effectiveness against human targets, stunning them while inflicting radiation damage. However, its capabilities fall short when faced with robots and monsters. Aptly dubbed a laser Death Star by its creator, this weapon boasts an impressive power output of up to 25,000 milliwatts, harnessing the energy of 9 lasers fueled by 6 9-volt batteries. Wielding the weapon necessitates the use of a welder's mask for safety. The craftsman enthusiastically declares, "This is definitely the craziest thing I've ever built, but I hope to surpass this invention with something even more extraordinary in the future." The GR1 ANVIL stands as an 8-stage semi-automatic high-voltage Gauss rifle, marking itself as the most potent coil gun ever made available to the public. In fact, it is very likely the most commanding handheld coil gun ever crafted. Its weight stands at 15 pounds, excluding the battery or the magazine filled with ferrous projectiles. Featuring a 26-inch long barrel within a 38-inch total gun length, the GR1 comprises primarily 3D printed components. Observing closely reveals 7 cylinders positioned in front of the trigger, with the 8th cylinder somewhat concealed behind the pistol grip, just preceding the magazine. The magazine, a single-stack 10-round container, accommodates 10 to 12 millimeters diameter steel rods, and its bottom can be identified by a slanted piece of plastic beneath a transparent plate. The gadget in discussion has stirred considerable controversy in various online forums and YouTube comments due to its design, leading to the primary query: is it a crossbow or not? The designers opted for micro limbs instead of the conventional ones, a patented solution resulting in the creation of a final product labeled as a torsion crossbow, though this designation isn't universally accepted. Considering its specifications, this crossbow weighs 4.5 kilograms, propelling arrows at a speed of 112 meters per second while boasting a mere 10-centimeter width. Curiously, one of its slogans implies a focus on enhancing the hunt rather than solely improving gear, with this particular improvement coming at a price of $2,495. In the realm of science fiction movies, games, and books, a recurring theme involves the eventual replacement of firearms by more advanced and powerful technologies like lasers and plasma. Today, we catch a glimpse of this potential future with the emergence of a mass-produced coil gun, purchasable for $3,100. This extraordinary firearm propels steel dowel pins at speeds reaching approximately 75 meters per second, utilizing electromagnetic coils for acceleration. Featuring a smoothbore barrel, a single charge can sustain around 800 rounds, offering minimal recoil and a quiet firing mechanism. Capable of handling projectiles ranging from 6.4 to 19 millimeters in diameter and lengths of up to 22 millimeters, the advent of such technology sparks fascination about the future evolution of these innovative products. This particular slingshot, dubbed the RSX-8 Sniper model, boasts a competitive price tag of $207, boldly positioning itself as unparalleled among its counterparts. Its creators argue that comparing it with similar products is unjustified, primarily due to its exceptional shooting range that can exceed 100 meters in capable hands. Remarkably, skilled users claim precision hits on cane toads, even from distances as far as 50 meters. Notably, the RSX-8 includes a Picatinny rail, but potential buyers should note that optical accessories are separate purchases. Weighing in at 5 kilograms, this sniper slingshot is delivered in 3 separate boxes. However, a predominant topic in the comments revolves around its legality for purchase and use across different countries, prompting varied discussions. This cutting-edge development, boasting an even more futuristic design, arrives with a higher price tag of $30,000. Its primary objective lies in the disruption of drones, compelling them to either land or return to their initial location. Exhibiting an effective range of 1.5 kilometers, this device sustains operations for about 2 hours on a single charge, offering users a selection from 4 distinct frequency options. What sets this innovation apart is its ability to prevent the remote activation of explosive devices. The comprehensive package comprises a telescopic sight, a carrying case, and a magazine, with the weapon itself weighing 4 kilograms. Versatile and adaptable, this solution caters to diverse environments, including stadiums and airports, functioning seamlessly within temperatures ranging from -25 to 60 degrees Celsius. Pistol crossbows, as they're often labeled online, prioritize compactness and lightness, with some models weighing about 1 kilogram and measuring 41 centimeters long. Despite their small stature, these crossbows pack impressive features suitable for hunting, leveraging innovative designs and silent bowstring tensioners, ideal for swift preparation in confined spaces. However, debate circulates among commentators regarding the necessity of the reverse limb systems, some viewing them as a marketing strategy rather than an essential component. Considering their price range between $400 to $500, it's important to evaluate individual needs before forming a definitive opinion on their worth and utility.